subscriber, silent viewers, shout out sa inyo lahat. Update natin ang value nitong year 2003. 1 cents ng Canada, 1 cents. Elizabeth II third portrait, magnetic daw siya. Magnetic nga, magnetic. Issuer Canada, Queen Elizabeth II. Standard circulation coins, years 1999 to 2003. Value 1 cents. Value sa Pilipinas 0.41 cents. Currency dollar. Composition copper plated steel. Magnetic nga siya. Weight 2.35 grams. Diameter 19.05 mm. Thickness 1.45 mm. Shape round. Technique meld. Orientation medal alignment. Medal alignment, pantay siya, oh. Pantay siya. Obverse head of Queen Elizabeth II as at 64 of age, wearing the royal diadem, necklace and earrings facing right. Ito yung royal diadem, itong corona, ikaw, necklace, Elizabeth II, tsaka DG, reverse. A maple twig is surrounded with the face value and the country name. Face value, maple leaf. Year 2003, Canada, KG. Ano tayo sa presyo? Presyo niya apat na mintage siya. Merong specimen, proof like, brilliant and discolored. Ang specimen meron siyang presyo ng 91 pesos. Mahal kumpara mo sa 0.41 cents. Good 240 hanggang very good. Fine 370, very fine 550, extra fine 610. Almost uncirculated 21, 36 ang uncirculated. Mahal din siya. Mahal. Mahal siya. So sa aking mga silent viewer dyan, baka naman pwede makapaglambing ng follow, na subscribe. Subscribe naman, pa-like, ka-share, kung saan i-share, ka-share na din. Salamat.